Let's start the evaluation. Hi, Bill. Hi, Bill. Look at me. Look at me, Bill. And how are you today?
Fine.
Okay. Thank you being here today. And what we are going to do is to go ahead and do assessment to evaluate your memory and thinking. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm so appreciate you're willing to be here, and I will gonna to ask you some questions, and some of these questions are very easy and some of them are a little bit difficult, and make sure you understand my instruments, and I will provide some rest I will provide some rest throughout the process. So make sure you don't worry. You don't need to work so quickly unless I tell you to do so. So make sure you understand my instruments and take your time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So the first question. So your name is Bill, and your age. I know it from your background information, and you are very alert. And tell me your level of education.
Junior high school.
Okay, junior high school. So the next I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready, Bill?
Yeah.
Okay, very well. So the first question is, what day of the week is it?
I don't know.
Okay. And what is the year?
I don't know.
Okay. And what state are we in?
I don't know.
Okay. And please remember, what I will say is 5 objects. And after I said that, please remember those 5 objects. Try to remember it for me, okay?
Okay.
And I will ask you later on this assessment, okay? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Apple, pen, tire, house, and car. Okay?
Yeah.
And the next question is, and listen clearly to me. And if you have $100 and you go to the store and buy a dozen apples for $3 and a tricycle for $20, and my question is that, how much did you spend?
Oh. 23.
23?
Yeah.
Okay, very well. So how much do you have left?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, no problem. So next, please name as many animals as you can in 1 minute, and I will look at the 10. When I say start, you start to say, okay?
Okay.
And I will start the clock. Okay, start.
Cat.
Yeah,
Dog.
yeah,
Lion.
Okay.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Fish.
Very good.
Rabbit. Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, calm down. You did very well. And the time is up. So the 8 animals, you did very well. So what were the 5 objects I asked you to remember? Can you repeat it for me as much as you can?
Let me think. Cat.
Yep, very well.
Apple.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Okay, calm down. You did very well. Calm down. Calm down. Did you need the workout time? Do you have a rest? Did you have a
No.
Okay.
Quickly.
Okay. So the next question is, I'm going to give you a serious numbers, and after I say that, I'd like you to repeat it for me backward. For example, when I say 4, 2, and you repeat it backwards to me like the 2, 4 for me. Okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first 8, 7.
7, 8,
Yeah, very good. And 6, 4, 9.
9, 4, 6,
Very good. And 8, 5, 3, 7.
3, 5. I can't remember.
Okay, very good. And the next we're gonna to do is draw a clock face, and this is the clock face. So we're doing in the back of this assessment. And you can this is a clock face. What you need to do is to put in the hour markers on this clock face, and you need to point to 10 minutes to 11 o'clock for me. Okay?
Okay.
Ten minutes at 11 o'clock. Okay. Thank you. And this is what builds joy. The hour markers is not on the appropriate position and the time is incorrect. And the next, and please place an X in the triangle. These 3 figures. Please put the X in the triangle.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know what is. What is triangle?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't
And which of the you can see these three figures. Which figure is the most large? It's the biggest.
know. The first one.
The first one.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. And the last question is I'm going to tell you a story. And after I told you this story, I'm gonna to ask you some questions. And you try to remember what I said in these stories and pick up the information. Then I will ask you those questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Jill is a very successful stockbroker and she made a lot of money on the stock market. She then met Jack, a devastatingly handsome man. She married him and had three children. They lived in Chicago. She then stopped work and stayed at home to bring up her children. When they were teenagers, she went back to work, and she and Jack lived happily ever after. So my question is that what was the female name?
Jill.
Yeah, very good. And what work did she do?
I don't know.
What work? Okay, you don't know? Okay, no problem. And when did she go back to work?
I don't know.
Okay. What state did she live in?
I don't know.
Okay. Mm. And his total score is 10. He has severe. Okay. Next is the result of Slum's examination evaluation. From the question 1 to 3, Beer has no idea to the answer. That means Beer has disorientation to time and place. In question 4, Beer can recall those words with delay and interference. In question 5, Beer got 1 out of 3. He is able to calculate the simple plus problems, but he was unable to calculate 100 minus 23. In question 6, Bill got 1 out of 3. Um, Bill can come up with 8 animals in 1 minute with delay and interference. And in question 7, Bill got 2 out of 5. Bill can delay the record with interference, just 2 words, apple and pen. In question 8, Bill got 1 out of 2. That means Bill has registration and digit span, but it is not so good. In question 9, Bill got 0, and Bill cannot put in the hour marker and the time correctly, which indicates that he does not have good visual spatial functions and visual scanning functions. In question 10, Bill got 1 out of 2, and he cannot identify triangle, but he does know which one is the biggest one. In question 11, Bill got 4 out of 8. Bill can only remember information in the beginning of the story. That means Bill may distract him from the later story talking. And his total score is 10. The total score is within less than high school education dimension. That means Bill has severe cognitive impairment.